Okaya Power Limited, one of the renowned brands in power industry. So thank you, Mr. Arush Gupta, for taking out the time and talking to us. We would like to know more about your company.
Okaya is roughly around 19 to 20 years old company. It was started in 2002. It's a conglomerate comprising from battery manufacturing to now two-wheeler manufacturing as well. Initially, we were a major brand for lead-acid battery manufacturing. Now, including lead-acid batteries from e-rickshaw application, inverter batteries, solar batteries. We have also delved into lithium category. We have also now expanded our bases not just from all parts of India, but to 50 other countries across the world, where we are supplying lots of different applications of batteries, electric vehicle chargers, swapping stations. So it's basically a energy storage solution devices company, where initially when we used to sell as a product. Now we are selling solutions. The world, not just India, in the world people require not just transactional products, people require solutions. So we are trying to give them anything and everything which affects their life for energy storage and better utilization of energy. We're trying to provide that, and that is what Okaya is. And the current product portfolio is just the tip of the iceberg. We have very big plans of providing and helping the consumers across the world.
So you have implemented a solution, Tableau, in your organization. We would like to know more about that.
Tableau is a good software if used very, very correctly. It's a fantastic tool for any company which requires a lot of data processing, churning and analysis. Generally, SMEs, MSMEs or even large corporations, there is a large workforce which keeps working on Excel. Despite the fact that they have Oracle, they have S4HANA, they have everything in the world. They have the best IT teams and they have the best vendors also, but everyone works in Excel because everyone likes customized reports. It's just like मेरे को सब्जी पसंद है, दाल में तड़का ज़्यादा, किसी में नमक ज़्यादा, किसी में सब्जी कम. But Tableau is a great software to standardize some of those reports which are coming from various other platforms, CRM, S4HANA, etc., and reduce the redundant work of data collation and processing. And people can focus more on analyzing those data and actually benefiting the company. So we have a term in Okaya called Q2Q, quantity to quality. So if anyone has to convert the quantity of workforce to a quality workforce, I think Tableau is the right way going forward.
Thank you, Mr. Gupta, for taking out the time. I would now like to invite Mr. Garg for the rest of the interview. Thank you, Mr. Garg, for taking out the time. What were the challenges you were facing prior to using Tableau?
So before using Tableau, we are having a multiple data sources. So there are the reports available in each and every system. So it is always difficult to manage that reporting, and the person, every department has a MIS person in the department who used to make the MIS for the weekly presentation. So it's full day duty to keep a track on the MIS for timely delivery of to get the actionable out of the reports. So after implementing Tableau, so that MIS person is now redundant in the system. So we have a real-time data analysis, and the reports that are coming on a monthly basis, now we are able to get it on a daily routine basis. From monthly to daily basis and from request based to real time, now no one comes to me for the MIS requirement. They can able to log into the Tableau and see the real MIS from the system.
Why did you choose Tableau as your business intelligence software?
It is very difficult to opt for a right BI solution for the organization. So all my past experience with the different BI tools that we have used in past. So I start to have a trial of the Tableau software. So we have asked Uneecops to do a POC with the Tableau, and they really come up with the great formats, and we'll be able to relate our data in their MIS formats. That help us a lot to take a decision to going forward on the Tableau as a BI solution for the company.
What were the positive outcomes you noticed after implementing Tableau in your organization?
So one of the best output that we have now freeze format for the MIS understanding. Almost sales and service, most of the MIS are coming a real-time basis from the database without any manual intervention. Secondly, we have reduced the report creation time by almost 50%. Now we can make a MIS in-house with any kind of complex logic within Tableau with existing ATLs and existing all the data that we have already updated in Tableau.
Tell us about the one feature that you love the most about Tableau.
So most loved feature of the Tableau is the ETL. I can create one ETL, I can use it with the multiple data visualization, I can run through, I can do analysis, I can take a data download from the Tableau itself. Like one of the best feature in Tableau is I can download a 50 lakh of the row items from a table by using Tableau only. It is not available even with the Excel also.
How was your experience with Uneecops? Would you recommend us?
The journey with the Uneecops is really fantastic, and with the many input from there to our organization, their experience in FMCG help us a lot in defining the layouts of the dashboard, and their capability and their developers are really good to deliver the data within time without any follow-ups. So Uneecops knowledge into the different department KPIs help us a lot in defining the KPI for the organization also, and their developers are very good. So I will recommend Uneecops for BI implementation to all other organizations.
Thank you, Mr. Garg, for taking out the time. We would really like to connect with you for our further discussions. Switch to smarter business decisions. We are the leading Tableau business intelligence software implementation partners. Think intelligent enterprise. Think Uneecops.